Howdy, howdy. Welcome back to week 3 of cultural anthropology. This week, our focus will be on the various types of methods that anthropologists use to collect data. In the humanities, such as religious studies, philosophy, and literature, data is collected from texts and documents. So different kinds of poems or different kinds of religious writings, those are the kinds of things that scholars review in order to understand their subject matter. In the hard sciences, such as physics or chemistry, people collect information by observation and also through experimentation. In anthropology, we are considered to be mostly a social science. In anthropology, we really don't do experimentation. Rather, we focus more on observation. You're going to be learning about one of the most eminent anthropologists of our time, and this is Bronislaw Malinowski, and you'll be watching a film about his life. Malinowski innovated what we call participant observation, and this is a simple concept so that we observe a different culture or a microculture in the people's everyday activities, and we learn by doing and by observing. So that if I am going to be observing a culture in Second Life, a cyber world, a virtual world, then I will participate. I have done this. I created an avatar and I interacted with other avatars and had conversations and asked information from people, as well as made my own observations about the environment in this particular virtual world. Experimentation is not a part of our work, mostly because we don't really consider it to be ethical to do any kind of experimentation with people. That's just not the kind of thing that we do in anthropology for the most part. In terms of your assignments, this week you will be working on the class wiki, and so you will be writing about a famous anthropologist. I'm going to ask you to not write about Malinowski or about Franz Boas. Rather, choose somebody who is lesser known so that we don't have 20 different wikis on Margaret Mead, for example. But you're free to choose any kind of anthropologist, whether it be a physical anthropologist, a cultural anthropologist, an archaeologist, or somebody from linguistics. Be sure that you follow the guidelines because you will be graded on your performance, so that if I have a range of words, the word count that I want, make sure that you at least hit the minimum, because I consider that to be the baseline for a grade of C. If you want to get an A, then you should meet or exceed the upper word length. You can always exceed the length. So if I say 750 words and you write 900 words, well, that's going to probably get you an A. Be sure that you post your wiki by the deadline, which will be 11:59 p.m. next Sunday. There's no discussion forum this week and no film quiz, but there is a film to watch. So enjoy your week learning about the way that anthropologists learn about different cultures, and I will be looking forward to reading your wikis, and I'm sure that your comrade students will also be looking forward to what you find out about the fascinating people that populate anthropology. Have a great week. I'll see you online.